Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy Jalmong here, back again with another video, and today we're going over some clothing pieces that I just copped. Over the last year, basically most of my videos have been on shoes, but there's a part of me that also loves to make content on clothing as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the turntable gang. And yeah, I mean, even if you guys have been a part of my channel for a while now, I know you see a whole bunch of different sneakers. I basically review a different pair of shoes every week, but you guys have to understand that I was first really into clothing and streetwear before I was into any sneakers at all. Back in high school, I would always go shopping to like H&M, Forever 21, wherever it was affordable, and I'd be buying a new piece of clothing every single week. This was a time where I couldn't really afford any sneakers just yet, and I really always loved wearing different pieces because I feel like style is part of my expression. I'm definitely a huge fan of streetwear, but now that I'm getting older and I'm working professionally, I like to switch it up with some menswear. You know, I really love the business casual look. I also love the worn down and vintage look. So I'm always wearing different pieces, and I feel like I have a variety in my own wardrobe. So in today's video, I wanted to go over some recent pieces that I just copped, and I feel like a lot of these are really affordable. And if you guys are looking for any outfit ideas or inspirations, definitely watch this video because there are a lot of pieces that are good for the transitioning out of winter and into the spring season. So definitely stay tuned and watch this video. And if you guys are a fan of this kind of content, you want me to make more content on clothing and streetwear and menswear, make sure to drop a comment down below communicating that to me. And if not, make sure to also hit that like button because that shows me you guys are a fan of what I'm doing. With that being said, these are only a few clothing pieces that I've copped recently, so let's hop into it. All right, so the first piece that we're going over today is actually the one that I'm wearing on my body right now. I got this from J. Crew. I was really excited to just bust this out today. All right, so this piece that I have in my hand, this one is a knit button-down polo cardigan, and this is from J. Crew, like I said before. And I love J. Crew because I feel like they have a lot of that old money aesthetic, especially for more of business casual occasions. I definitely think that this is a great work piece that you can wear. As you see, I'm wearing a shirt underneath it. But if you are going out to dinner, if you're going to like a fancy restaurant, this is definitely a nice piece to have to wear on the night out. If it's like the spring season, it's not too cold, but at the same time, it's not extremely hot where you need only a t-shirt. This is a good layering piece. I love how it's in this knit material because this just makes it very breathable. It's just a really nice piece to have, especially if you're trying to go for that dressy menswear look. I like this piece a lot, specifically for the color. I love how this green is just very bold. It's just a very toned down, versatile shade that you can just wear with anything. I also think that it's a great alternative to other button down casual shirts that you may see. I feel like a lot of people have those, but just having a polo cardigan just switches up the kind of materials of the top, and again, this makes for a really nice layering piece. But that wasn't the only thing that I ended up picking up from J. Crew. I also got this knit sweater as well. It's a great piece for any occasion. So you can wear this casually, you can wear this to work. If I wanted to put some streetwear pieces along with it, you know, I could wear some baggy pants on the bottom. This is a regular fitted, somewhat kind of oversized in a way, and I like that a whole lot. I feel like this sweater is very comfy and it's not too tight where it's hugging me. I also love the color of the sweater. It's a very neutral tone, but if you go closer into the knit patterning, you see it tinted with a bunch of different tones of brown, tan, and cream. I managed to pick this up for like 20 bucks. Not bad, especially since it's J. Crew. I think J. Crew is made with pretty good materials, so I'm happy. Let's move on to the next piece. All right, let's take a break from the menswear and let's go into the streetwear side of me. This piece I kind of broke the bank with, but I'm really excited that I finally copped something like this. We do have this Kith hoodie in this mauve color. I love it. It's so nice. Just this neutral shade. Again, it's in this mauve color, which makes it very toned down and very versatile. I like the little contrast of the embroidered Kith logo to the rest of the hoodie. I feel like that just pops pretty well. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this was expensive. I basically found this used on eBay. I paid a pretty penny for it. Now I have few Kith hoodies and sweatshirts, but this piece just caught my eye because I like the color of it. Now this hoodie also has somewhat of an oversized yet cropped fit to it. I like it a lot. I feel like in the sleeve area, it's very relaxed. However, along the hem on the bottom, that's kind of where it cuts off. So if you're wearing a t-shirt underneath it, especially if it's oversized, that's a good layering piece to have as well. And of course, I think this is a great spring color to wear, especially since it is going to be hoodie season once again, probably for a few weeks. But this one, again, great for the occasion of spring. I mean, if you guys know me by now, almost in every single one of my videos, I am wearing something from Kith. They're just an amazing brand, and I'm always buying something new from them. Now, another piece I ended up picking up earlier this year is this Kith zip-up hoodie in this acid wash color in blue. I bought this used. I basically buy all my Kith pieces used because I rarely buy Kith pieces for retail. They're really expensive, and I know that when it comes to the second market, the secondhand market, a lot of people are trying to get rid of their Kith pieces. So one man's trash is another man's treasure, and I can save a lot of money on Kith pieces. I love the wash on this hoodie, but I also love the fit on it. I love how it has a boxy fit, which makes it really nice when I'm wearing my outfits. I feel like it's not just a standard kind of zip-up hoodie. I love the embroidering of Kith on the corner right here, as you guys can see. And another little detail that I love about zip-up hoodies are when they have that double zipper. So there's a zipper here and then there's a zipper up there. I mean, I now look at hoodies that only have one zipper as less than to the hoodies with two, because that's just so much better. I also love the little Kith branding details that they have, especially in their zippers. So if you guys see, we have the Kith logo that is debossed into the zipper. I think it's really cool. All right, and this next piece, unfortunately, it's not really meant for the spring season. This one is more for winter, but I saw someone wearing it on the street and I just really liked it. So I wanted to pick one up for myself. And we do have the Levi's black Sherpa denim jacket right here. Now, if you guys know me, I do have a regular one in blue, and I always wear that one. I think that one is very cozy, very warm. I realized that actually with like black denim jackets, they kind of look more versatile and they go with a lot more things. I actually copped this one used as well, so I got it on Depop. And that's like a strategy that if you guys are really into shopping, but you don't want to break the bank on a ton of things, definitely go for the secondhand market, because a lot of people are getting rid of things for the low. This jacket here that retails for 70 bucks, I literally picked up for like half of the price. I got it for around 35. So it's in great condition. I just broke the hanger. This is the second hanger I broke of the day. Oh my gosh. But yeah, again, the condition on this is really nice. No flaws whatsoever. And it looked great. I just love how the Sherpa lining is like a different shade. It's in gray as opposed to the black on the denim part of it. And this is something that I'm gonna wear on chillier days, maybe at night. I can substitute this as a jacket for its own. Great piece. I love the Sherpa Levi's denim jacket. It's just a really cool essential piece to own. All right, so these next two pieces are from a brand that I'm pretty new to, but my girlfriend loves this store. She always loves to shop there. And this is from Oakenfort. Now, I believe that Oakenfort is from Canada, so there's very few shops in America. You know, some pieces caught my eye, and actually Jasmine ended up gifting these to me. So I was really happy and grateful for that. So first off, we have this Western style varsity jacket in this black and gray color. As you guys see, this material is in this wool construction. This is really nice. Again, not much of a spring piece, but for the winter, this is gonna keep me nice and warm. Now, I just love the collar on the jacket. I feel like it gives both a classy yet edgy vibe to it. And this is something that I could wear for streetwear, but I could also wear it for more dressy occasions as well. Now, this jacket has a boxy and oversized fit to it, which is what I like. I like styling it with a vintage wash gray t-shirt underneath, which kind of complements the black overall. And yeah, this was something that I was looking out for. I never ended up pulling the trigger, and then Jasmine ended up gifting this to me. So I'm really grateful. Shout out to Jasmine. And then this is another piece from Oakenfort that also caught my eye. I think Oakenfort has just a lot of really nice pieces, so you guys should definitely check their store out. They make a lot of pieces for women's, but they also have a men's department as well. It's pretty small, but nonetheless, first off, we have this blue striped sweater. And this is so cozy. This is in this kind of like knit material, but it's very fuzzy and it's not itchy, but it's very soft. So overall, this sweater is oversized. I love the two-tone on the sweater. It just gives it a very calm vibe. I feel like as opposed to, you know, the edgy and grungier look of streetwear, this is more of a basic and casual look that I can definitely pull off wearing. I love wearing this with like slim fitted jeans, baggy jeans. But again, in my opinion, I think springtime is a great season for sweaters, especially one like this in this nice dual colorway right here. So shout out to Jasmine for these two pieces. I also forgot to mention that they're actually on sale right now. So if you guys go to the clearance section on Oakenfort, you might be able to find these on markdowns. I mean, she already got these for pretty low prices for Oakenfort standards, but now they've been further reduced. So make sure to go check them out. All right, as we transition back into menswear and that old money aesthetic, one thing that I was really looking forward on getting was a short sleeve polo, but not ones with the button downs and everything. I feel like that is very overplayed. But something I love is the ones with the zipper on them. I feel like this just gives it a whole different look to it. And yeah, this one I got from Zara, and I only got it for like 17 bucks, which is super great for Zara's pricing. So this zip-up polo is in navy blue. I love to wear this to work, especially when I tuck it into my pants. I feel like this just gives it a very dressy look and that old money aesthetic. Definitely for springtime, when it gets warmer, this will be something that I'm gonna wear a whole ton. Now it's relaxed at the shoulders, but at the arms, it also is quite fitting. That zipper, you know, you can adjust it if you're getting too hot, you know, you wanna show a little more skin, you can zip it down or you can zip it all the way up. It's really up to you, but it's really cool. I love this zipper polo, again from Zara. All right, this next piece that I picked up is another one from Depop. I picked it up secondhand, and this one we have the Richie Lee collection flight jacket in this cream and olive color. Now this piece is from an older drop. I think it was from either last year or 2 years ago. And the best part about the Richie Lee collection is obviously that it comes from Richie Lee, my favorite YouTuber who's really into style and sneakers, basically my inspiration for making YouTube. Basically him and his crew came up with their own clothing line and they made this. And this is super clean. Now the outer shell is made with this wool construction, but if we go on the inside in the lining, we actually have this satin material, which is very soft and comfy. Now this jacket is designed to be in this cropped fit, and it's pretty cropped, I would say. I wish the sleeves were a little longer, but nevertheless, I think it still fits me pretty okay. Again, as I mentioned before, this jacket also has the dual zipper feature, and I love that a whole lot because now you can adjust the zipper. You know, that's just a different look from if I'm gonna wear this unzipped. So a ton of ways you can style this. I love the olive, I love the cream, they just look so well. Definitely earth tones are everything, and when I'm wearing them with my other sneakers, they just complement very well. So this is a jacket that I'm gonna wear during spring. It's definitely going to be a personal favorite of mine. All right, I know I've been going over a lot of jackets and shirts and sweaters, but now let's go into the pants. I haven't copped a ton of pants, but the ones that I have, you have been seeing a lot of in my videos. You've seen me wear this pants with pretty much almost all of these pieces that I've gone over. And this one is the Uniqlo Smart Ankle Ultra Stretch Pants. If you guys have been a part of my channel, you do know that I am a huge fan of smart ankle pants when it comes to Uniqlo. And now is pretty much the best time to get them because their pants are on sale anywhere between $20 to $30, which is incredibly affordable. Again, these pants are retailed at $50, which can be steep for some, but now you can get them for an even cheaper price. I literally have a whole collection of smart ankle pants because they look really well, especially when it comes to that old money look. I wear these to work all the time and I love how they're cropped at the ankle. Now I love wearing white tube socks underneath, so it gives that little preppy look to it. Now the Uniqlo Smart Ankle Pants just have a slim and tapered look to it. It's not too skinny, yet it's not too loose. It's overall very fitted. Now this one was actually a surprise to me because I didn't know that these were quite on sale just yet. And when I was at the mall, I went into Uniqlo and I found these for $20. I love how it's black and they're versatile. I can wear them with anything. And yeah, you guys literally have been seeing I've dressed them up with streetwear. I've also dressed them up with menswear. Very, very great piece to own. I forgot to mention, like, these are also a great springtime pants because it's gonna get hotter, so you're gonna need something that's a little more breathable, especially in this ultra stretch material. And the last piece that we have for this overall video, now I caught this one on Depop as well. I just saw this, someone was selling them, and it ultimately caught my eye. We do have this olive green pair of cargo pants from Nike. And I love Nike pants because I feel like they are tapered and well fitted on me. They're not too tight, yet they also have a standard slim look to it as well. I feel like this is a solid pair of olive cargo pants. I think the seller was only selling them for like $20 something, so I hopped on it. The only problem when you're buying things on Depop is that you're never going to be able to try them on, but when I tried these on, I absolutely fell in love with how they fit. This is a very versatile pair of pants. Not to mention, when it comes to Nike pants, they're also made in this woven material, so it's designed to be extra breathable. Some features that are worth mentioning when it comes to this pair is that they have a snap button at the fly area. We also have a subtle Nike embroidered logo on the thigh area, something you can't really see from afar because it blends in with the rest of the pants. Now in the cargo pockets, we also have the snap button as well, which I personally like a lot. I think I prefer snap buttons on pockets over Velcro because Velcro just sticks to everything and it gets very irritating. But this is a solid pair of Nike cargo pants. All right guys, it pretty much wraps up all the pieces that I've copped lately. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Now you can go out and look for some pieces that you might need for the spring season. But now I'd like to hear from you guys. Which of these pieces did you personally like the best? And what kind of pieces are you going to look forward to buying in the spring season? Let me know in the comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. And as always, if you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button because more will be on the way. And also make sure to check out last week's video on the top 5 sneakers to cop in 2025. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.